check it. Put the emergency brake on.
What's that?
Right here. Right there. Mash it with your foot real hard. Scoot up, mash it all the way to the floor.
Like that?
Mash it hard. All the way to the floor. Move foot, move foot. Alright, now check it, make sure it's a neutral.
Okay.
You see neutral on the shifter? Sideways, there you go. Alright, now crank it. Oh, give it a little gas first, just one little, just tap the pedal a little. There you go. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough. It don't take much. Now crank it. Crank it, crank it. Alright, that's good. Hold on.
What, Daddy?
Give it some gas. Whoa, that's good, that's good. Little, just tap it a little bit. Sit up so I can see you. Don't touch that shifter. There you go. Gas it. That's good. That's good, that's good. Is that fun? Alright, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Alright, now turn it off. Reach down and turn it off.
Release brake.
Put it in gear. Just put it in first. There you go. Now take keys out. Alright, now get out.
What about the brake?
Nope, leave the brake where it's at.
Ice, don't leave it.